Welcome to this strategy masterclass on LanguageCert Academic Reading Part 1A. Today, we'll master the complete strategy for this section. So, what is Reading Part 1A? It asks you to choose the option that replaces a highlighted word without changing its meaning. This task tests your vocabulary and your ability to identify precise synonyms within a specific academic context. It also requires a deep understanding of context, tone, and the nuances of high-level academic language. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake students make when tackling this part of the exam. A similar meaning is simply not enough. This is where most candidates lose their marks. What is required is the exact meaning. Accuracy is the key to success here. Step 1. Always read the complete sentence before looking at the options. Remember this principle: context controls meaning. Never look at the word in isolation. You must follow this path. Start with the word, see it in the sentence, and then extract the true meaning. Step 2 is to deeply understand the context. You need to identify the sentence's intent. Ask yourself, is the sentence expressing certainty or perhaps offering a criticism? Is it describing a significant change or a clear cause and effect relationship? Is there an element of pressure or even dishonesty involved? The context tells all. Step 3 is a game changer. Predict the synonym yourself before looking at the choices. Strong candidates predict the answer first. This keeps your mind focused and prevents confusion. Weak candidates read the options immediately, which often leads to being misled by distractors. Step 4. Use the process of elimination. Don't just look for the right answer, find the wrong ones. Typically, out of 4 options, 2 will be obviously wrong. Strike them out immediately. You'll usually be left with one close distractor and the one correct answer. Choose carefully. Finally, step 5. Check the tone. This is your final verification step. Determine if the original word is positive, negative, or neutral in its context. The replacement word must match that tone exactly. Never forget, tone matters. Let's look at common distractor types you'll encounter in the exam. First, related words. They belong to the same topic but have the wrong meaning for the sentence. Then, partial synonyms. These are words that are close in meaning but imperfect for this specific usage. Watch out for words that work in other contexts but are incorrect in this particular sentence. Lastly, wrong collocations. These are words that simply sound unnatural when paired together. With phrasal verbs like bring about or carry out, always aim to understand the meaning in context. The same applies to idioms like bow to pressure. You must understand the overall meaning. Phrases like give rise to require you to look beyond the individual words. To wrap up, let's revise our reading part 1, a master strategy, one more time. 1. Read the full sentence. 2. Understand the context. 3. Predict the synonym yourself. 4. Eliminate wrong answers. 5. Check the tone. And 6. Always choose the exact meaning. In the next lesson, we will apply these strategies practically using official style LanguageCert Reading Part 1A questions. This masterclass was brought to you by Intellect Transoceanic Private Limited, a high-stakes test center for LanguageCert secured English language test examinations. See you in the next lesson.